welcome back to my channel. So today I created this really fun eyeshadow look for you. It's kind of fiery inspired, just a simple cut crease, and I love it. I created it using the James Charles X Morphe palette, so if you guys want to learn how I created this look, make sure to stay tuned.
I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go.
I do already have my entire base makeup on just to save some time on this video. That way it can kind of be solely focused on the eyeshadow portion, just because I do plan on doing a really fun look today. So let's dive right in. And then just so you guys all know, I will still put down in the comments below everything that I used for my face of makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit. And I am using the Morphe X James Charles palette today for this makeup look. There's a fly flying around behind me and it's making me mad. So first I'm gonna go in with this canvas color. It is right here. And I am using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill brushes. So I'm gonna go in with my 30 brush. And I am just putting this all over my lid. Do you guys see the fly? Do you see it? It like just flew right in front of me. I like don't know what to do. I can't kill it because I don't have a fly swatter here. So I'm trying to decide what colors I want to do. I really just want to do something like crazy. Like really crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna like get started because I like don't know where to start, so let's just do this. So I think I do want this yellow color. I'm not gonna be saying the names, I'm just gonna show you the colors. So here's the yellow shade. And I am going in with my 39 brush. It's a really small stipple brush, just so I can get this precise. But I'm just gonna kind of start this right at the inner corner. And you can hardly see it, but I'm just gonna keep building this up. So I'm just kind of keeping this in the top crease. And just trying to make the pigment really bright. So the next color I'm going to go in with is this kind of orange. I'm feeling kind of fall vibes right now, so maybe we can like do a cute like fall moment. So as you can see, I'm just putting this right next to the yellow, kind of like right where I left it off. And I'm just gonna kind of keep building it up and making it more pigmented. And doing eyeshadow like this, where you're kind of connecting pigments, you really want to focus on shading and making sure you're just really blending that out. These colors are definitely making me excited for fall. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm actually really liking this. I was kind of nervous, but and then I'm gonna go right back in with that first yellow shade we did and just kind of blend out where that orange kind of started right there. Next color I'm gonna go in with is this really pretty rust. It's kind of like a, I would say like a burnt red. And then I'm just gonna kind of follow this right next to it. And then I'm also gonna like kind of bring this up kind of make it like a wing. I'm like so excited because I never get to do looks like this just because I get so busy with school. So right now I'm just kind of like connecting this right here. Okay, so next I am going to go back in with that middle shade, that orange, and just kind of bring back that color so I don't lose it. And then I'll do the same with the yellow and just kind of like repeat. I really want these colors to be pigmented as I put them on, so I don't want to lose the color. And then still just kind of making sure to be blending it out. And then I'm gonna go back in with the yellow now. And I'm just popping that right in there. This is like a fire look, you know? It's very like dramatic, sexy. I'm digging it. Okay, ladies, it is time to cut crease it. I am gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Full Coverage Eyeshadow Base. I actually haven't used this yet, but I've heard wonderful things on doing cut creases with this, so I'm excited to try it. I am going to go in with my 41 brush. This is a concealer brush. This will be the perfect shape for this. And just a reminder, when you're doing it, I put it right in the middle, blink up, and that's where I'm going to cut it. And then I just kind of follow that outline. Oh, cut creases can be so scary and intimidating, but they end up turning out fine, you know? So I put that little dab there, and I look up and see where that connected right there. That's how far up I'm gonna bring my concealer. And this, I'm literally about to kill this fly right next to me. The slower you go, the better it'll turn out. Right here, I don't want to go further in. So what I'm going to do is just kind of like tap it and blend it. Just because I want to keep that shape on the outside. So I'm just going to kind of let that sit just for a quick minute while I decide what kind of shade I want to put on the wow, I can't tell what kind of shade I want to put on the inside. I'm feeling glitter. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with this glitter shade. Nope, this one right here. It's just like a champagne-y glitter. I'm gonna go back in with the concealer brush and just kind of like get a ton of color on it. And then I'm just gonna tap this right where I put the concealer. Okay, so now that cut crease is done, I'm gonna go back in with my small brush and just kind of touch up all of these colors and kind of blend it out. I don't want any harsh lines, especially right here. I'm going to go in with this burnt orange color and just kind of blend it in. That way, where that cut crease stops, it's not a harsh kind of line. And then you just want to keep blending it. Okay, so now that that kind of edge is blended how I want it, now I'm going to go in with that orange middle shade and just add that color again to that top. Building these colors is going to help make this pigment like pop. Sometimes when you're using matte pigments like this, they can get lost and just not be as bright, but luckily James's colors are really bright, so it's usually not that hard to keep the pigment going. Like, it looks pretty good. But now I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade, but I'm gonna be really careful putting this there because I don't want to get it on the sparkle shade that we just put on the cut crease. And if you do, it's no big deal. Literally just go over it just like that, where you may have went on it and it disappears. If you have any fallout too, like under here, just like wipe it away with a brush and you're golden. So now that the top part is done, I am going to do the lower lash line, and I'm going to follow the same color pattern. So I will do the burnt red, transition to the orange, and transition to the yellow. This will just really connect the look and finish it off. There's literally like so many flies all around me. I'm kind of freaking out. So now I am going in with that orange shade, and I'm just kind of concentrating it more right in the center of my eyeball. So my circle of my pupil, like my color, you know, my iris, the entire eyeball, I want to keep that orange like right in the center of that. Just because I have less room to work with on my lower lash line, so I don't want to get too big with the orange. And next, I'm popping in the yellow on the inner. Okay, you guys, so that is one eye complete. I am in love, I have to say. The glitter shade though, just really quick, that we popped on this crease, I am gonna put it right at my lash line, or right at the eyebrow brow. Wow, I can't talk. At the eyebrow bone, I am gonna add this glitter shade that we did for the cut crease. And then also, I'm just gonna pop a little bit of it on that inner corner, just to kind of make the look finish up. But that is one eye, you guys. I really like this. I just love playing around with makeup like this. I think it's so much fun. I haven't done a look ever like this, so I think it's really pretty. I think it's such a bold statement. Yeah, I'm digging it. So I'm going to quickly go off camera, do the other eye, and then I'm also going to apply some false lashes just really quick. I am going to use the Cosmetics London Eyelure Jasmine Brown Faux Glow lashes. You can't really see them in there, but she cute. I do use my lash duo glue as well to glue them on, and just for a quick base of mascara, I use the Benefit They're Real. And I will be right back to finish up. Okay, you guys, so I'm done. I have my lashes on. All I can say is I'm so glad I sat down today and played with makeup, because I just feel way more inspired now after doing this makeup look. Like, there's a bug. Like, this is just so pretty. I like really love it, you guys. It's obviously a bit drastic. It's a bit out there, but like, I'm honestly speechless. That's how much I love this look right now. So let me just give you a close-up and I'll stop talking.
No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the basement. New car, race on, fast lane.
Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I love it. I don't want to take it off. I want to wear it the rest of the day. It's super freaking fun. It's cute. I just love the colors, like the fiery look, and just how like it shapes my eye. I just think it's so cute. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and please subscribe. I do plan on doing a lot more fun eyeshadow looks like this because holy crap, I love it. It's so fun. I am so glad I had time today to play around with some more fun colors and create this look for you guys. I definitely had a blast doing it. So I will see you guys in the next video.